Hello and welcome to Swansway Honda Stockport. Today I'm going to be taking you around this RAC Approved Toyota Corolla Touring Sport. This Toyota Corolla is finished in black and is powered by a 1.8 VVT petrol hybrid engine with an automatic transmission. On this model, the boot can be remotely accessed, where you'll find plenty of space to provide for your daily needs. Of course, the space can be extended with all the rear seats down. It sits beautifully on 18-inch multi-spoke designed alloy wheels, as well as LED daytime running headlights that provide great visibility no matter what the weather condition. Into the back, and the passengers are provided with full leather seats, headrests, as well as ISOFIX for convenience. Into the front, and the driver's presented with a leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, as well as full leather seats for comfort. This model also benefits from a glass roof, which lets in plenty of light into the cabin. The multi-function steering wheel provides access to voice command, volume control, hands-free, cruise control, lane assist, as well as a speed limiter. In the centre, a coloured touchscreen display gives access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Bluetooth, multimedia and radio is also provided, ensuring you stay connected at all times. A rear camera, making parking a breeze in the tightest of spaces. Just below is the controls to the dual climate control, where the driver and the passenger can adjust the temperature to their liking. Heated seats are also provided for the colder months, ensuring you stay at the right temperature. Into the centre console, a charging pocket, the gear selector, electronic handbrake, 2 cup holders and a leather armrest is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team.